In this video, we will learn how to find the elasticity of consumption with respect to income and how to calculate marginal propensity to consume. The question is like this. Given the aggregate consumption function, we are being given the aggregate consumption function is C is equal to 0.9 y plus 100, where C is the aggregate consumption and y is the aggregate income. We have to find out the marginal propensity to consume and average propensity to consume. The second part of this question is to find the elasticity of consumption with respect to income and show that it equals to MPC upon APC. Okay, so what we are being given? We are being given a consumption function as C is equal to 0.9 y plus 100. Okay, and if we try to graph this out, we can also graph it here to make the things easier. So we have income on this axis and consumption on this axis. Okay, so it simply tells us that consumption depends upon the income, and this 100 is our autonomous income, that sorry, autonomous consumption, that very consumption which does not depend upon the level of income. Okay, that means if this is our consumption function, its intercept will be 100. When income is 0, our consumption will be 100. Okay, let us say this is here 100 and 0.9 is the slope of this consumption function, and let us try to figure this out like this. This is our consumption function. Okay, now what is MPC? We need to calculate the MPC, marginal propensity to consume. As we calculate marginal revenue or marginal cost, same step applies here, same rule applies here. Marginal propensity to consume is nothing but change in consumption with respect to change in income. Okay, we need to take the derivative of this consumption function with respect to income. That will give us the MPC, that is marginal propensity to consume. It simply tells us how much our consumption changes when there is change in income. Okay, so the derivative of y will be 1, so we are left with 0.9. 0.9 is our marginal propensity to consume. And graphically, what does this tell us? So change in consumption means this very stuff, if I can show it here. So let us say this is our change in consumption. Okay, this is our change in income. Okay, so change in consumption when we divide it with a change in income gives us MPC, what we call marginal propensity to consume. So simple stuff, marginal propensity to consume will be 0.9. It says us when income increases by 1%, our consumption increases by 0.9%. Okay, I hope I am making myself clear. And what is MPC? APC. AP is simply average propensity to consume. It is simply equal to our total consumption upon total income. And what is our consumption function? 0.9 y plus 100. If we divide it by y, we get the what we call APC. And here this is 0.9 y upon, let us write it here to save the space. So it is simple, 0.9 y upon y plus 100 upon y, which is equal to, this gets cancelled, 0.9 plus 100 upon y. This is our average propensity to consume. On an average, how we consume, what we consume is given by APC. And we have to find out the elasticity of consumption with respect to income. Okay, it is very easy. As we calculate the elasticity of supply or elasticity of price, so we can calculate elasticity of consumption with respect to income. So elasticity of consumption with respect to income is simply change in what we call consumption upon change in income into income upon consumption. Okay, logic is same. How the logic we make in price elasticity of demand. In price elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity with respect to change in price into P upon Q. Okay, same logic is here. So del C upon del Y, which we calculated here, which came out to be 0.9. Okay, so we have this 0.9 into Y upon C, Y upon C. Okay, now if we know the value of Y, we can calculate the numerical value of the elasticity of consumption. Okay, and we can see here as easily that this elasticity of consumption 0.9 is our MPC. This very stuff is our MPC. Okay, which we calculated here. So to verify that it equals MPC upon APC, so this 0.9 is MPC, and Y upon C is our, we have here C upon Y. Okay, to what we can say, if C upon Y is equal to APC, okay, then Y upon C will be equal to, if I reciprocate on LHS, I have to reciprocate on RHS also, so that we have balance here. Okay, so we have the equation here, so this becomes 1 upon APC. Okay, we have Y upon C, so in place of Y upon C I can write 1 upon APC. That means elasticity of consumption is equal to MPC upon APC. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. If you like these videos, please share with your friends. That will be only motivation for me to keep going on. Okay, at times I make silly mistakes, so I'm just a student of economics. In that capacity, the mistakes can happen with me, so I will appreciate if you can point out the mistakes. I will try to rectify. Otherwise I am making sure, so on part of mine I try my best to that my videos become mistake free, but at times it can happen, the mistakes may occur unintentionally. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video, and hope you find this very video helpful for you. Thank you.